So guys, we have our sample video on the timeline. Now move to the location where you want to apply the snapshot effect. Suppose around here. Now tap on top right corner button. Select current frame as PNG. Then tap on export. Save. Close the window. Now tap on plus, media. Then tap on this button. As you can see, we have two folders here with same name, Alight Motion. One of them will have our exported image. Give the image layer same length as the video clip. Select the image layer, tap on this button to move to the start of the image layer. Next, move and transform. Make keyframe for scale, rotation, and the movement. Move some frames forward. This will be the duration of the animation. Now scale, rotate and reposition the snapshot like you want. Go back, border and shadow. Enable the stroke. Change the stroke color to the color you want. Border width. Enable the shadow. Let's see what we have. See, we have our snapshot effect. Lastly, for the click sound, move to the start of the image layer. Tap on plus, audio. You can download this click sound from the video description. Tap on the small plus icon. Adjust the volume. And we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.